everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing me. So now I'm here in Valencia Plaza and the street food. So I saw you and the food here. So see you there. Let's go with Jennifer. No writing? Oh, okay. Ano function? So that is the table, guys. If you want to order the foods here, let's go. Jen, I look for the food, guys. Pancit bihon, and then fried chicken fried, and then
chicken, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Pila ni siya?
125 with 2 cups of rice and drinks. Kani pare 130 lalagyan ko 2 cups of rice.
Oh, okay.
Ano ko?
Oh, letson, kawali.
Dili balbakuan.
Balbakuwa. Pila pa ni siya?
80.
80. Okay. Balik ron ti ha. Ako sa kanon. Pilian sa nako. Okay.
Lechon bili malaway mo ha.
Oo. Okay. Oh, look guys. Barbecue, pork bar. Pila ni siya chicken barbecue. 100 isa ni. 100 per each, guys. And then the hot dog. Hot dog pila day? 20 per each. Okay, and then wow, have fish. Where? Smoked fish. Okay, that is the street foods, guys. So I think I look for another. Wow, lechon. Lechon belly. Saan mo na lechon? Oh, that is the price, guys. I saw you. Okay, combo meal. 99 with soft drink and only rice. Oh, nice, Jen. Oh, only rice, Jen. My favorite. Only rice.
198.
Bayadaan? Okay. Pila tanan te?
198.
198.
Urbang ni dayo.
Wait sa ha? Ay, ora day. Okay ra. Ay, pag-unit day. Ay, magbayad ko.
Sige lang, ikaw ga.
So, you know guys, Jennifer for hold my camera. Because I need feed the food. Sa patulain na kung sinselyo. Wait sa te ha. Saan naman to? Okay. Thank you. So, now waiting for the food. Let's go. Oh, I saw you for another, guys. Sorry, Jen. Wala kayo kag-video? Okay kag-video?
Wala.
Pila ka minutes?
Kira to kay ako kasi magsumpay.
Okay. So, guys, that's the street food. Here. Brother. Okay. So it's her. It's a lot for. Oh my goodness. It's a lot people for it her. The time for open her is what time, Jen?
3 o'clock.
Starting is 3 o'clock afternoon. So in now, Jennifer. I think it's nice for the have the like the what's the name? Like yeah, canopy. Yeah, it's nice there. Thank you so much, Jen, for always wait together with me. And then tomorrow, another again. Another again for adventure. I think it's nice here. Oh, wow, look. Kalafati. Oh. Saan na Jen? Pig yun? Wow, it's a lot, guys. Pig yun. Wow. Nice, huh? And then have people there for play the what's that? Uh, Fourthly, the shocker. I think shocker. Like that. Shocker. And then there is the church. Wow, look, it's nice. Oh, have the kids for taking picture. Okay. And then I sitting here waiting the food. The number is wait. The number guys is 12. So I waiting hala. Nahulog imong bag Jen, wait sa Jen ako kaon Jen. Okay. Wait. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay. So and now I get the face mask because I'm eating the food. My favorite food is rice and lechon belly. That's my favorite. How about you, Jen? What is your favorite? Oh, wow. Ano rin yun eh? Ah, okay. Oh, okay na. Wait sa kung iba na yung camera. Wait. Need to the chance. Wait sa. Okay. Okay. So let's eat the food. I put in my bag here. Oh, okay. Where is it, Sarah? So look, guys. Lechon belly with rice. There, that is the Filipino food, guys. So I eat it now. So let's eat. Ako na picture ito. Ero, patay isko ka. Ero. So I eat, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.